everybody, my name is Michelle from Knitaway, and in today's video we're going to be doing how to cast on. So if you're a complete beginner and you're not sure the stages of what to do, then here we go. First thing you need to know is how to do a slip knot, then how to cast on, then how to knit, and then how to cast off. They are the four basics that you need to know. I'm going to show you how to cast on. So what I'm using is I've got chunky yarn, 100% acrylic, and I've got 6mm needles. All right, so let's get cracking. So we'll move that over there. So what we need to do first is a slip knot. So very, very easy. So you just have it a circle like that, and then you get your thumb and your finger, just pull that up, pull that to there, and then you're going to slide your needle onto that. So, and all you do to pull it tight is just pull that. So then if you're not sure about how to tie a slip knot, I've actually done another video on this. So if you see the link below and you want to see more on that, that's how it will show you how to do a slip knot. So that is actually classed as your first cast on stitch. So then what we need to do is, with the needle in our right hand, we're going to go through from back to front, making a cross. And then what we're going to do is, this is the working yarn. Working yarn is the one that's actually on the ball. So you wrap it around, and then what you do is you push that off. Can you see I've come through that loop? So there you go. It's just like that. So the left hand needle then slides onto that. There we go. That's the second stitch. So let's do that again. So from front to back, making a cross, wrap it around, come up through that loop there. So you've got it like that. Your left hand needle, slide into that, pull that there. So once again, front to back, make a cross, wrap it around, up through the loop like that, and then you're going to turn it onto that left hand needle. All right, so let's do that. Front to back, wrap it around, up through the loop there, twist it. Don't worry if that gets too big, because when you slide it onto your left hand needle, you just pull it. Not too tight, because it's all about your tension. It really just needs to be able to just slightly move it on the needle. So again, from front to back, wrap it around, up through there, like that. So the left hand needle slides onto that, and it's onto your left hand needle. So front to back, wrap it around, up through that loop, left hand needle sliding through. There you go. So again, wrap it around your working yarn, up through the loop, and then wrap that onto there. So let's do another one. So there you go, around, up through that loop there. So you've got it like that. Slide your left hand needle onto that stitch, and there you go. That's onto your stitch. So these are classed as cast on. Now, the pattern will say the required amount of stitches that you cast on. So whatever the pattern says, that's what you follow. Right, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, the links are down below. If you want to like it, please. And if you want to follow me, press the subscribe button there, and then you can follow me, and also the little bell which tells you when I'm doing a new video. So hopefully I'm doing them weekly. So if you want to keep learning as we do this journey together, I am going to teach you how to knit. So keep following me, put comments down, and I'll see you later. Bye.